Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I'm Cassandra. Today we're going to do an unboxing, and this unboxing is with Artist Couture featuring Jackie Aina. Yes, Jackie, Auntie Jackie has did a collab with Artist Couture. Okay, this is the paper it came in. This is the package it came in. Okay, the first thing I see when I open up the package is a card featuring Jackie Aina. Jackie. All right, Miss Jackie. Okay, and it reads on the back, I created LeBron's because I wanted the perfect rose gold highlight for my complexion. She's the perfect mix of deep copper and rose gold blends. Now I introduce to you her little sister, La Peach, the perfect mix of champagne, peach, and rose gold tones suitable for all skin tones. Use them together for the perfect mix of both. I love you guys so much, and I hope you enjoy this collection as much as I do. Jackie Aina. Okay, Miss Jackie. Okay, and when the other thing I see is the bag. Beautiful rose gold bag. Beautiful. Okay. Then we have the two highlighters. Beautiful. Like it. And it has her name on it. This one says LeBron's. This one says La Peach. Beautiful. And you can see the box, the detail on the box with her name. And it is rose gold. Love it. Like I said, it says the name of it, La Peach. And then this one says the bronze, like this. Okay. And here are the two highlighters. Yes. Artist Couture featuring Jackie Aina. And this is LeBron's and this is La Peach. Oh, wow. Okay. We're just going to test them out on my hand so we can say, hey, what they look like. Okay, what's this? Okay, and here they are. As you can see, let me see. As you can see, this is LeBron's and this is La Peach. Both of them are beautiful. Okay. And you can also see I have LeBron, and I have La Peach coming out the corner of my eyes. There's La Peach. LeBron's, La Peach. I really do like this. Like I said, if you all want to, I think they haven't sold out yet. So all you got to do is go onto the Artist Couture website and just try to get your hands on it. They are $28 a piece, and the bag is $7. Or you can get all of this in a bundle for $55. So $55 for the bundle, or $28 a piece, and this is $7. Like I said, that is if they have not sold out. Okay, that's it. Right now, I love the highlighters. I love them. They are so beautiful. And they're beautiful on. I really do like it. Just bring the light up some. See how you can see that peach? I mean, that bronze. And then you can see the peach coming out right here. Okay, I see you all next time. Bye-bye.